Ever wondered what truly makes someone attractive? Now, we're not talking about those run-of-the-mill compliments about eyes that sparkle like sapphires or smiles that can outshine the sun. We're talking about an allure that's more than skin deep, the kind that makes heads turn and hearts flutter. It's a question that has puzzled poets and philosophers for centuries, and scientists for decades. What if I told you that attractiveness isn't just an arbitrary concept, subject to the whims and fancies of individuals? Yes, beauty might lie in the eyes of the beholder, but it also resides in the realm of science. There's a method to this madness, a formula to this fascination, a science to this seduction, and that's exactly what we're going to explore today. We're going on a journey that traverses the contours of the human face, the nuances of body language, and the subtle signals of scent. We'll be delving into the depths of psychology, biology, and even mathematics to unearth the scientific factors that influence attractiveness. And let me assure you, this isn't just about romantic attraction. It's about the allure that makes you likable, approachable, and memorable, whether it's at a job interview, a social gathering, or a first date. We'll be exploring these factors for both men and women because, let's face it, the science of attraction isn't gender exclusive. It's universal, transcending societal norms and cultural boundaries. It's a fascinating exploration that will unravel the mysteries of what makes us irresistibly attractive to others. So, whether you're a hopeless romantic trying to decode the enigma of attraction, a curious cat wanting to understand the science behind it, or just someone who loves to learn something new every day, this journey is for you. So buckle up as we delve into the fascinating world of attractiveness. Have you ever noticed that people with symmetrical faces often seem more attractive? This isn't just a coincidence. Symmetry, it seems, plays a significant role in our perception of beauty. But why is this so? Well, it's all about balance and proportion. Our brains are wired to appreciate harmony and order, and a symmetrical face provides just that. It's an indication of good genes and healthy development, which are desirable traits for potential mates, at least from an evolutionary perspective. Now, let's take it a step further and introduce the golden ratio, a mathematical ratio approximately equal to 1.618. This ratio is found everywhere in nature, from the spiral of a nautilus shell to the pattern of a sunflower seeds. And guess what? It also applies to the human face and body. When the proportions of facial features align with the golden ratio, we perceive them as more attractive. So, it turns out math can make you more attractive. Who knew? Did you know that your smell can significantly influence how attractive you are to others? It's true, our noses are more powerful than we often give them credit for. Let's talk about pheromones, those invisible chemical signals that our bodies emit. These play a crucial role in attraction, sending subliminal messages about compatibility to potential mates. It's like an olfactory form of speed dating. However, it's not just about pheromones. The natural scent of your body also matters. You know that distinct smell that makes you, well, you? Studies suggest that this scent can either draw people in or push them away, depending on how well it meshes with their own body chemistry. Then there's the world of perfumes and colognes. These fragrances are designed to enhance our natural scent or mask it, and the right one can make you irresistibly appealing. So, next time you're picking out a perfume or cologne, remember, it's more important than you think. Ever noticed how people who carry themselves confidently seem more attractive? Confidence plays a pivotal role in our perception of attractiveness. It's not a mere feeling of self-assuredness, but an outward projection of our best selves. Picture this. Two individuals walk into a room. One shuffles in, eyes down, shoulders slumped, while the other strides in, head held high, eyes meeting those of others, standing tall and poised. Who would you perceive as more attractive? Most of us would instinctively lean towards the latter. Why is that? Psychological studies have long held the answer. Confidence is an indicator of high self-esteem, and high self-esteem is universally attractive. It's a sign of someone who values themselves and, in turn, values others. It's an indicator of strength, resilience, and the ability to face challenges head-on, traits that are deemed desirable across cultures. But that's not all. Confidence also affects our body language. And body language is an essential aspect of non-verbal communication. It's not just about what we say, but how we say it, and confident body language speaks volumes. A confident person is more likely to maintain eye contact, have an open posture, and use expressive gestures. They appear more approachable, more engaging, and yes, more attractive. Moreover, confidence can be a self-fulfilling prophecy. When you carry yourself confidently, people react to you more positively. This positive feedback boosts your self-esteem, making you feel even more confident. It's a cycle that not only enhances your attractiveness, but also your overall well-being. So how do we cultivate confidence? Well, it starts with self-acceptance and self-love. Embrace your strengths, work on your weaknesses, and most importantly, believe in your worth. Practice confident body language, even when you're not feeling it. As the saying goes, fake it till you make it. So remember, confidence isn't just about feeling good, it's about looking good too. Believe it or not, the colors you wear can affect how attractive you seem to others. The science behind this is intriguing. Each color carries a certain psychological value. Think about it. Red, for example, is often associated with passion, power, and excitement. It's no wonder red has been found to increase perceived attractiveness. On the other hand, blue, a color consistently ranked as a favorite worldwide, exudes tranquility and trustworthiness. It's a safe bet if you want to project a reliable, stable image. Then we have black, the go-to color for elegance and sophistication. It's a universal symbol of mystery and power, making it an alluring choice. And let's not forget about white, the color of purity and simplicity. It can make you seem approachable, honest, and clean. Each color has its unique charm, its own story to tell. So next time you're deciding what to wear, keep in mind, color matters. Ever wondered if your voice can make you more attractive? Well, the answer is a resounding yes. The tone and pitch of our voice can significantly influence how attractive we appear to others. You see, there's an intricate science to it. Our brain processes auditory signals and, believe it or not, associates certain tones and pitches with attractiveness. A study from University College London found that men tend to prefer women with higher pitched voices, which they associate with youth and femininity. On the other hand, women often find men with deep resonant voices more appealing, attributing them to strength and virility. But it's not just about pitch, it's also about the way you articulate your words, the rhythm of your speech, and the confidence you exude when you speak. The voice is an instrument, and when played well, it can create a symphony of attraction. So, it seems the way you say something can be just as important as what you're saying. So, we've learned that attractiveness isn't just about physical appearance. It's a complex cocktail of factors that goes beyond the surface. It's about symmetry and the golden ratio, the subtle science of scent, the undeniable power of confidence, the intriguing influence of color, and the persuasive pull of the human voice. Let's take a moment to reflect on how these elements intertwine to create an appealing persona. Symmetry, for instance, is not just about having perfectly balanced facial features. It's a universal sign of good health and genetic fitness. This is why our brains are wired to find symmetrical faces more attractive. It's not vanity, it's biology. And what about scent? It's not just about smelling good. It's about how our bodies produce natural pheromones that can subconsciously affect the people around us. Our sense of smell is directly linked to the emotional center of our brain, making it a powerful tool in attraction. Confidence. Now that's a game changer. It's not just about strutting your stuff, it's about owning who you are, flaws and all. Confidence sends out a signal that you value yourself, and that's something people find irresistibly attractive. Then we have the color of attraction. Colors can evoke feelings, set moods, and influence perceptions. Wearing certain colors can subtly change how people see you, making you appear more attractive. And finally, the sound of attraction. The tone, pitch, and timbre of your voice can greatly influence how attractive you are perceived to be. A pleasant voice can be as captivating as a beautiful face. Remember, these factors don't operate in isolation. They work together, creating a unique blend that makes you, you. And while it's interesting to understand the science behind attraction, it's important to note that everyone's blend is different. What's attractive to one person might not be to another. Remember, attractiveness is a complex mix of factors, and the most attractive thing you can be is yourself.